Good morning, 1776ers, or afternoon, or whatever time that you are looking at this. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of vocab, and you'll note that each time we start a new section, there will generally be vocabulary to go along with it. Why, do you ask? Well, a lot of these words you probably will know, or you may have heard these words before, but you may not know the definitions to them. These words are important as we move forward, and as we discuss these things, you'll be like, oh, okay, I know what executive is, and it'll be a lot more easy for you to understand. So, that said, in your folder, you will see a sheet that says Chapter 3, Section 1, and we're going to go over some key terms and people. All of this information can be found on pages 72 through 77 in your textbook. All right, and all you need to do is find definitions for these words. All right, so we'll scroll down real quick and take a look at these words. The first word is Constitution. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard the word Constitution before, if not all of you. But what is a Constitution? What is it exactly? So that's what you're going to find the definition for. Next word is Executive. Then Articles of Confederation. So try to find out what that is. Framers. Find out what that means. Ordinance, devise, economic depression, and finally Daniel Shays. Whenever we do a person, like somebody like Daniel Shays, try to go a little bit beyond what the first words are. So wherever you're going to look for it, whether it's Wikipedia or something else, I just don't want to see that he was a patriot. Well, that's great. There were a lot of patriots, but what did he do of significance? Why are we reading about him in a history book? All right, so you have to dig a little bit deeper than that. All right, and that really does go for all these words too. Please don't jot down 2 or 3 words and be like, yay, I'm done, and just mail it in. All right, I really do want you to look for good, solid definitions. And when I grade these, that is what I will be looking for, to see that you actually put some time on this, as opposed to jotted down a few words and called it a day. This really shouldn't take any more than 15 to 20 minutes, so you should be able to knock this out pretty quick, and then you're pretty much done social studies for the day. And then I will see you tomorrow for our synchronous class. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.